Check out this Mazda 3. Set of wheels you've been looking for. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.